Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 43rd scenario of Apex Trigger, in which we will be working with the share objects. We have also worked earlier on the share objects, so I thought in order to revise that concept again, and this scenario is as such. Let's see the data model for the requirement first. If I talk about the scenario, we will be using the data model as the opportunity object, and we have one custom object, that is the review object. That is, we also have a lookup relationship between them, where opportunity lookup is on deal review. So the scenario is as such: when an opportunity stage is set to close one, we need to automatically share the deal review record to the opportunity owner manager. So what we need to do here, as soon as the opportunity stage is set to close one, we need to set the sharing rule, sharing of the record of the deal review with the manager of the account owner or opportunity owner. So let's start with this scenario. We have already created the trigger on opportunity, so we will be using the after update operation in order to perform the same operation. So let's first start with the trigger. So I will be adding after update, and let's copy this out. And since we need to change, we will be directly if writing trigger dot is after double and trigger dot is update, then only you need to perform this operation. What you need to perform, that is opportunity handler dot handle deal. I am keeping the method as handle deal. I will be passing two parameters. One is trigger.new in order to get new records, and I will also be passing the trigger.toolmap in order to do the comparison for closed one or any other stage. Okay, so what I will be doing, trigger.oldmap. After doing this, I will be adding a semicolon here, and let's copy this name out. And after copying this name, what I will be doing, I will be pasting this name here, and here what I will be doing, that is public static void handle deal. What I will be doing, list of opportunity. Next thing what I will be doing, new records, and second what I will be doing, map of id, what's id comma opportunity. Further what I will be adding, I will be adding a braces. So let's first save this method. Oh, I haven't added the map name, that is old map. So let's save this out. So once we are done with this, and after that we will be saving the trigger so that our framework is saved till here. So once the framework is done, so now we will be starting with the trigger. First thing what we will be comparing, if the stage name earlier was not equal to close one and now it is close one, then only we need to perform the operation. So in order to do the same for opportunity OPR column, what I will be doing here, I will be creating the using the new records in order to get the things done. What I will be doing, if old map dot get, what I need to put, OPR dot id dot, what I need to put here, dot, that is stage name, if not equal to close one and double and OPR dot stage name. If now it is equal to close one, then only we need to proceed with this operation. Okay, so once we are done with this, we will be saving this out, and after saving this out, I think our first step is done. Now next step is what is the scenario. If I go again on the scenario, we need to share the deal review record with the opportunity owner manager. We need an opportunity as well, we need a owner as well, and we need a manager as well. So that is for sure. We need a user record as well, where we will be picking the manager ID, and we also need a owner ID for the opportunity as well. So why to query again and again? So we will be creating a map of opportunity versus owner ID, and we will be storing the IDs here. So let's do it here. So what I will be creating, I will be creating first map, that is map of ID comma ID. I will keep it named as OPP versus owner. Map is equal to new map of ID comma ID. Once we are done with this, let's save this out. What I will be doing, I will be directly putting the values in the map, that is put, and here opr.id. And second thing what we need to do, that is I need to get the opr dot owner id. Once we are done with this, so let's save this out. I think everyone is clear till this point. We got this record. Second thing what we need to do here is we need to pick all the deal review records. Since I have not created till now, but when we will be testing, we will be creating the deal review records. So what we will be doing, list deal review underscore c, that is deal list. What I will be doing, I will be querying it, select id comma name comma opportunity underscore c from where, from deal underscore review underscore c where opportunity underscore c in, it is coming from where, it is coming from this map dot key set. In the key set we have stored the same, that is opportunity IDs dot key set. Okay, once we are done with this, we have got the things from deal review, but still we need one more thing. We have a owner ID here, we have a deal review record here. Now what we need to do next, we need users manager ID as well. Okay, so in order to get that, what I will be doing, I will be querying list of user or versus or what I can do, I can say create a map here, that is map of ID comma user. What I will be doing, I will be keeping the name as user map is equal to, what I will be doing, new map of ID comma user, and here I will be adding a round bracket and further semicolon. What I will be doing, select ID comma manager ID comma name from user, where what we need here, where ID in, that is this map dot values will give me the values for this map dot values, and we will be saving this out, and let's check if we are facing any problem. So yes, we are facing any problem, we haven't closed this, so let's save it again. So this map will give me the user ID, the owner ID versus whole record user. So now the process is simple, we just need to create a share object. So what I will be doing, for opportunity, for deal review, we will be iterating the deal review because we need to provide the access for deal review record. Deal review underscore c dr colon, what is the list name, that is deal list. Okay, Further, what we will be doing, let's save this out and let's open the deal review share record. So let's first save this out. Are we getting any issue? We are getting issue in which line? In, oh, we got one extra bracket. This bracket is getting closed here, and this is, yeah, we are not getting an issue. So let's open the deal review share object. So what I will be going, I will be going on object and I will be searching for deal review share. So this is the share object through which we can give the access directly from the Apex side only. So what all fields are there? We have the user or group ID to whom we need to provide the access. We have a username and another is that is read access, that is level access. What is that field? That is access level. These two fields are required, so we will be copying the name, that is deal review share. So now what we will be doing in this query, oh my bad, so what I will be doing in my trigger, so that is deal review underscore share is equal to drs is equal to new. I will be copying this name, that is my deal review share object, and further the next step is drs dot, the first name is user or group id. So let's copy this, that is user or group id, so oh my bad, I'm just jumping from different pointers. So user or group id is equal to, what I need to do next here, that is my, what I need to do here, that is I will be picking the value from my map, that is from this map, that is user map dot get and further here what I will be putting, I will be putting the opportunity ID here. So what I will be doing, that is again here I will be putting dot get, and here what I will be putting, I will be putting my opportunity ID. Okay, or what we can do, if drs, oh, that is not needed because we are already iterating it. So, what is not needed, that is drs, oh, we can add one check, if that is opportunity underscore c, if not equal to null, then only go with this operation. So let's close this bracket here so that there is no chance of mistake. So this is getting closed here. So now what I will be putting, I will be copying this and pasting this value here. By giving this, I will be getting my full user record, and further when once we get the user record, what I can do, that is manager ID. By doing this, I will be getting my manager ID. So let's first save this and see if we are getting any issue. Yes, we are getting the issue, that is invalid type deal review share. So what is the object name? Then deal review double underscore share. It is double underscore share, not single underscore. So let's save it again and see if we are getting any issue or not. So I don't think now it should give. So we are getting error in this line. So what is this? That is if tr dot opportunity. So let's save this out. Just we got mistake here, that is user or group id is equal to instead tr dot opportunity. So now I think over all the errors have been fixed till this point. Yes, we have fixed the error and we are getting the manager ID. Another is, what is the, that is drs dot access level. So let's go check the API name, that is access level. So what I will be doing, I will be adding access level is equal to read. Let's save this out, and after saving this out, if we are getting any problem, so let's see what is the problem here that is arising. So there is no problem arising. We will be getting error on a real-time basis, on a runtime basis. So let's keep the eyes for that time only. Or what I will be doing next, once we have created the record, finally we will be creating a list of deal review share, that is this, that is up to dr list is equal to new list of I will be pasting it in order to do my DML operation. And further what I will be doing, dr list dot add, that is dr list dot add, I will be adding drs. So let's save it there. And further, if this list is not equal to null, after this for loop, if this list is not empty, not empty, what you need to do further, you need to perform the DML operation, that is insert dr list. Okay, so let's save this record. And let's first check if my user has been assigned a manager. So let's see if I have assigned manager on my user profile. So I will be going here and further I will be clicking on user. So if I go here, so I was assigned integration user as my manager. So this has been there. So let's go on to my opportunity record. And on opportunity record, let's click here. So this is not changed till now. So what I will be adding deal review record. So new, that is test 1, save and new, test 2. Okay, let's save this record. And once we are saved with this, so we will be setting the stage to close 1. And let's check if we are able to work this trigger out or not. Yes, we got an error. I was waiting for this error, that is field integrity exception, that is the parent is not. So access level is why this error came. This error came due to one reason. Since we already have the access, that is public read write, so why we need to share the access to the integration user? So in order to play around with this trigger, what we will be doing, we will be going on to the sharing settings, that is my OWD. And instead of read write, what I will be doing is, so you will be seeing here my access for deal review is public read write. So what I will be doing, I will be setting it to private. Then only I will be able to play around with this. So let's change it to private and I will be saving it. So this operation can take a minute or two. So let's wait for a minute or two in order to do the same. You will be seeing that our deal review has been set to private. The access level for deal review has been set to private. So now what we will be doing, we will be setting the stage to close 1 again, and now this will work properly. Getting the field integrity exception, that exception is arising because we are not updating the parent ID for the share record for whom we need to share the level of access. So in order to do that, we will be doing here, that is what I will be doing, here is dot parent ID is equal to dr.id. This was missed earlier, so we are adding it now. So let's save this, and after saving it, what we will be doing, we will be again setting the stage to closed one, and let's save it out. So yes, now our record work. So what we will be going on the test sharing, and what we will be clicking, we will be clicking the share. And if we see the sharing, so you will be seeing that shared with the group of 2 users. So here integration user is having the read only access. So this complete our trigger. So now let's start with the test class for the scene. So in the test class we will be creating a deal review record, and further we will be creating a opportunity record. So let's open our class, that is our test class. So let's remove it out first. I will be going on class, that is opportunity trigger on opportunity test. Okay, so let's open this test class. So what I will be going, I will be copying this method, and let's paste it with the name of 3. So what we will be doing, that is method 3. Here I have created an account, further I have created an opportunity, and here I will be deleting my other part. What I will be doing, that is deal underscore review underscore c dr is equal to new deal review underscore c, and further dr dot, what is the field name now, dr dot name is equal to test dr dot opportunity is equal to o dot id, and further what I will be doing, insert dr. Once we are done with this, next step what we will be doing, that is o dot stage name is equal to close one close one. Once we are saved with this, further what I will be doing, that is update o. So as soon as I do this, so let's see if we are getting any problem here in this method. So yes, we are getting, no, we are getting one error here. What is that? In the line number 101. So let's see line number 101. We need to close this class. So once our class has been closed, so let's run the test again. We run the test. Our test should pass. First of all, let's test the status for test. It got passed, and here also we are not getting any issue. So let's go on to our handler. We are getting 100% code coverage. So if you like my content, don't forget to hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more such content. Thank you. Thanks everyone.